Welcome viewers, we are in the module 7. In this module, we are going to learn about what the machine learning core concepts are and how the machines learn without having much of fear about mathematics and coding stuff. To take us through this journey, we have two eminent personalities. Dr. Sumit Kumar Singh is the founder and CEO of Garage Lab Technologies, a full-stack AI advisory and incubator he is an IIT alumni and IIM alumni, and he did his further studies in Harvard Business School. He trained close to 70,000 people so far globally. And welcome, sir. We are proud to have you with us today. And on this Wednesday, you are going to just take us through this journey. And to help us understand, we have our other medical colleague, Dr. C.H. Ramakrishna, who is a nephrologist by profession and an AI enthusiast by himself. Sir, Dr. Sumit, what are you going to teach us, sir?
Okay, I'm not doctor. So,
Okay.
just Sumit. So
Right.
that's enough, right? What we will do, so I think in the previous sessions we have covered about what is AI, how people are using ChatGPT and things like that. From a machine learning perspective, what we will talk about is what's a machine that we typically call. We'll just get some basic definitions in place. We will talk about how machines learn, what are the different ways of learning a machine, and typically where are the scenarios where we can actually use machine learning and where traditional AI and traditional computational very deterministic models are used. And we'll also touch upon some very core definitions around what what is traditional computation, what is machine learning, where should you use what kind of methods exactly. And then we'll also touch into what is AI and how can it today, particularly for our doctor friends, how can they use these technologies, or rather these algorithms, if I can call it, in the traditional sense in our regular day usages of ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini. And in case if they have to do a very interesting analysis on, say, heart disease prediction, or
Right.
they have to do a very a BP prediction, or if you have any data and they want to do a very deep analysis on top of it, and they don't know how to do it. So how can AI be used to do these kind of analysis is something which we will touch upon. We'll go over the examples very quickly, but we will cover the tools so that if they go back and they want to watch the videos, they are able to do it. And we'll go step by step. We will also prepare a small dossier for them so that they can actually follow along step by step on how to get the analysis ready for themselves. I
Perfect, sir.
think that would be the best that we can actually cover in 45 minutes. It's a
Right.
deep topic,
Yeah.
but I'll try my level best to pace it out in a way that they actually follow along and they
Right.
don't feel overwhelmed as well.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sumit. I hope Mr. Sumit is perfect, right?
Mr. Sumit is
Yeah,
perfectly fine.
Perfect. Right. Dr. Ramakrishna, I know
yeah,
that
yeah.
we have been doing this for almost 6 sessions by now. Unfortunately, we have to applaud ourselves for being probably one of the largest viewers in the world for the AI in
Yeah.
healthcare, almost 18,000 plus people. So, as a doctor, what do you feel that what we can gain from this topic? How are you going to moderate it?
Uh, see, what I would suggest is if Sumit is able to explain basics of ML
Mhm.
without going into the in-depth about ML, because most of the times doctors are only the big audience for this topic.
Right.
So doctors cannot understand the engineering aspects of ML or
Correct.
computational methods.
Right.
So how can we utilize ML technology into healthcare in terms of prediction, prevention, or personalization? Uh, or how can ML applications can be utilized in diagnosis, whether it is a imaging diagnosis or
Mhm.
biomarker detection, and
Okay.
how can it finally improves the outcomes of the patient, and how can you bring healthcare to more accessible and affordable? So if we could be able to outline based on this concept, maybe doctors would be more enthusiastic. So this is
Perfect.
what my suggestion is about.
Absolutely perfect. I hope on Wednesday we're happy to see both of you navigating this complex topic, taking the inputs of what Dr. Ramakrishna told Mr. Sumit. See you on Wednesday, 4 p.m. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a
Thank
pleasure.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sumit. Bye.